Welcome back everyone to this brand new build. In this one we are going to be doing a 537 scale USS Enterprise, but it's not going to be the Enterprise, it's going to be the USS Kongo. Okay, well, I checked the trees, everything's here. All the parts are on the trees, there's nothing missing. Now, another thing my client wanted, this is a client build, is he wanted the shuttle bay. So I went online and I ordered in a 537 scale shuttle bay, or cargo bay, whatever, in for this particular model. It has the open cargo bay doors, or the landing bay doors, which is broken. Well, good thing that's an easy fix. That's not very impressed. Okay. Anyway, so we got that. It even comes with all this here. Now I also ordered online just random decals for the Kongo, so I can actually put the Kongo name on the ship and the registry number and all that. And of course we got the regular decals here and got the Aztec decals here for the 537 scale model. Okay, and we got the plans here for the landing bay. It's exactly the same setup as the 537 or the 350 scale. I'm stuck in 537 mode. So okay, so I found the broken piece of that and glued it in place, so just gotta let that set, then I can prime paint it, but that'll be a little bit later. So I got everything there. This model is going to be like the 350 scale Enterprise, where all the lights are going to work, the torpedoes, phasers. You're going to have the ability to turn the warp engines on and off, and the running lights for the landing bay. Everything is going to be pretty much similar as a 350 scale ship. Yeah, there still needs to be a little bit of modifications need to be done. Like I'll have to fill these in for the running lights. Because in the 350 scale model, you don't have this great big huge light on the ship. So I'm going to use fiber optics to light those. The same with the bridge up here. I'm gonna have the botanical gardens, which means I'm gonna cut that out for the botanical gardens. And for the warp engines here, you can see, if you look in there, you can see a little dark nib. That's because of the buildup of plastic here. I'll have to grind that down so it doesn't block out the light. Mask that off and then paint it. I'll even have to fill in these holes here to make those, so I can fiber optic wire those as well. So pretty much that's going to be a big job. And over here, where the lights light up the neck here, I'll have to drill holes there for lighting to go shine up there. And as well for here, I'll have to put holes in those sections there to light up the pylons. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is I'm going to get these all filled in before painting, and then after that I'll be able to get the painting done. I'm going to do chrome silver on the interiors, then do the primer on the exterior, and then the final diamond coat white. Diamond coat. Okay, what I meant to say is, so once I get the final white, I'm just going to use a flat white to finish it off, and then use a pearl white to give it that pearl look. Alright, now I'm going to use white, or the tape here, cover up the interior part of the holes. You can just leave the tape in, you don't need to take it out afterwards. That's filled in. Fill it up. I got these other ones here where it blinks on the side here as well. I'll drill those up proper size later. Now, that's in there pretty thick, so it's going to take probably a day and a half for this to dry and cure properly. For me to sand that down, and then I'll paint it, and afterwards drill the holes. All the holes on the windows here have to be drilled out. All of these. And I'll carefully be drilling these ones out as well for the botanical gardens. I'll have to build the botanical gardens from scratch. Not that you really be able to see anything, it just adds more authenticity to the model, just like the big one. Now the model doesn't have any clear parts for the windows, so I will have to use Tester's clear part cement. It's a window maker, so that's what I'll be using for that. Another thing you can use is Elmer's, the clear transparent glue. Goes on clear, it stays clear. Okay, now I got a bit here. Check the size here for the windows. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna finish this side, then I'm gonna go to a smaller bit and do these windows here. Okay, so I got all the windows done there. Now I glued these sections here that hold the pylons on. I got it really glued in good there. Just gotta let that dry. Then I can drill out the holes later for the lighting up the pylons. And I got the windows done in here. Got the holes drilled there that light up the neck. And I got the torpedo launchers drilled out there. So I just gotta let some glue to dry, and then I can continue on. Okay. I got just a slightly larger bit here. Now the glue's had time to dry, to drill the holes in here for the lights, the pot lights that light up the cells. So I gotta get the right points here. I'm just going by my 350 scale model here. So it's just above the join line, one there. Looks like one is right about here. So the other one goes right about here. Have to angle, so for this pylon it's coming out this way, so I'm going to drill the hole angling this way facing the pylon. Okay, I got the neck lighting there on both of these. Got the torpedo. So now I had to order in some 0.5 millimeter fiber optics for the flasher here, so I ordered those in, but for right now let's get these sanded down smooth. Still have drill holes on the backs here for above the landing bay. There's a few other, and like underneath here where the other flasher is. You see this part here is going to have to go in here, which means I got to cut out all that plastic there in order to insert this from the inside. And the back here has to be cut out because you want to be able to see into the landing bay. Yeah. Just got to cut these out now. And then just about ready for painting. So for the botanical garden windows here, I'm just going to cut out the whole thing, and then I'm going to replace it with a clear plastic part, like a window part, to fill that right in. And then, yeah, that's all I need to do for that. Just use the X-Acto now. There we go. There we go. Those look good. All right. Now, for the warp engines there, I just put putty in those spots there, which I will let dry and then shave it smooth on the top and on the sides here to eventually get ready to be drilled out. Okay, I'm going to get these other holes drilled here for the navigational lighting on the back here. Then I'm going to cut the plastic out on the back here to get it replaced with the open doors to the docking bay. Just going to make sure this is as tight together as I can get it. I don't want this to move when I'm drilling. Okay. I already got it marked there where the first one's going to go. Now the next one, according to the model, the big model, the next flasher is just past the window, the botanical garden windows. So we go right about there. And then we got the four phasers that go on. Well, I'll have to add those later. And then we got the two aft phasers on here that I'll have to add later. And then we got a flasher right underneath here. Okay. Okay, so I marked on the back here how far over I have to go to cut this plastic out to put this in. I'm going to go to a larger bit. Looking good. All right. Just gonna pull the parts apart there and then do a test fit. Okay, now for these here on the ends here, I shaved those smooth, but one of these popped off, so I put it back in place and I glued it. And I glued all the rest here too, because when I start drilling the holes in there, they might just pop out and then fall inside, so I don't want that to happen. So all of these are glued now. Okay, so now just gonna put the holes in here for navigation. Good. So I'm going to be doing the top of the brick of the bridge there, and on the docking doors on the back here, there's lights on either side, so I got to drill those out. So I replaced it with the other bit, and let's get that done. Okay, so the dome on the back there, I shaved that down smooth. Now, just gonna put a point on here where the light is gonna go, right about there. Okay. The rear docking doors on the back here. Those lights are in either side. There, right there. Okay, got that all together there now. All right, now I'm going to glue this to this part, get those together. So, let's see. So on the top here, for this, I'm gonna have to, let's see here. So that's the end there, so I need to get another hole drilled. Here. So that would be for the flasher and the fiber optics. So actually it doesn't have to be that big, but it's just for the fiber optics to go in here for the rear lighting and the flasher. It's exactly what I need right there. Perfect. Okay, I had to do a little bit more work there. You can see I took the bottom off of there. So because this is going to be the new bottom here, because the landing bay doors go here like that, just like that, and that's where it comes out there. So yeah, that'll be fine. Perfect. Did a test fit, looks good, works fine. Before the painting and masking can get done, I got to smoothen these nibs down so you don't see it when the light shines through. So those got to be flattened out smooth with the rest of this plastic at the bottom there. Got to mask off the grills now before painting, but the painting's going to be in another episode, everyone. That's it for this episode, everyone. In the next one, we're going to get most of the painting done and start on the botanical gardens. Please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and click that notification bell for any future uploads. If you have any questions or you want me to do some commission work for you, contact me at epyc.models@gmail.com. And please check out my website, www.epyc.models.com. See you all again later. Bye-bye.